welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, hi, this is Shreyashi and welcome to my channel. So before starting this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss any update. Anyways, in today's video I am going to be creating this glamorous reversed eye makeup look which is extremely trending right now, but I give my little twist and it's a green reversed eye makeup look. And also I am going to be testing out all the new products which I recently buy from Nykaa. So hopefully you are going to enjoy this video. So just relax, enjoy and learn something. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, first I am using this LA Shield SPF 40 sunscreen and this is one of the best sunscreen till date. Look at the glow it gives and इसमें कोई tint नहीं है, which I love the most. Next I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer, and oh my god, this primer is just outstanding. So if you have oily skin, highly recommend to you. Next for foundation I am using K Beauty foundation. This is in the shade medium and the undertone is yellow, and it will give you like a very sheer to medium coverage, and honestly इसका coverage very low. But this foundation honestly give you like a skin like coverage which I like the most because it looks like your skin but like better version pe. Now I am using Swiss Beauty concealer and this is one of the most creamiest concealer I believe. It will give you medium to high coverage and it blends like dream, okay, and the coverage is like outstanding. Look at the coverage. Now I am using Miss Claire translucent powder and it इसमें कोई कलर नहीं है honestly, so it will not give you like a heavy coverage like Fit Me powder, but it's like a regular basic powder and I love it. Now I am using LA color brow pencil. This is my old one and yeah, this is my obsession by the way, so कोई comment नहीं है. Next the star product is this Nykaa के Lucky Charm palette and वो mint shade को I am using all over the lid पे, and look at the pigmentation. And now I am taking this little bit of darker mint shade and I am applying it to the outer corner, and I was so shocked the pigmentation देख के honestly, and I am just blending it together. And now I am taking Miss Claire green kajal and I am using it to my lower lash line, and not like वाटर लाइन पे मैं इसे इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं थोड़ा सा नीचे से इसको इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ टू द आउटर कॉर्नर पे ऐसे एक्सटेंड करते हुए. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल डार्क ब्राउन शेड एंड आई एम ब्लेंडिंग दिस. थोड़ा सा आई के नीचे में ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ एंड आउटर कॉर्नर पे भी मैं ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग दिस ब्रश, इसमें कोई कलर नहीं है एंड आई एम स्मजिंग इट आउट टू गिव लाइक अ शेडो, एंड आउटर कॉर्नर पे इसको आपको एक्सटेंड करना होगा. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल टिल्ट ग्रीन शेड and I am applying it to the outer corner पे. Now I am using this mascara from Nykaa and this mascara is the best mascara ever. Trust me, like buy this, especially this lengthening one, and look at the difference instantly it makes, and oh my god, this is beautiful. Now I am using this Flower Beauty blush and this is basically a highlighting blush and you can see the glow honestly, okay. And now I am using Miss Claire lip liner. This is my old one and उसके ऊपर I am using Blue Heaven का lipstick. This is also my old one and these combinations are bomb. Now this is the second bomb product. This is ELF Cosmetic Lip Gloss and look at the rich glossiness. Oh my god, I love it, okay. And yeah, this is my final look. I am obsessed with this look. Hope you have liked this, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.
So see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.